how to use the UnitedHealthcare UCard, a full guide. First, you will need to activate your UCard. Before you can use it, you will need to activate it. You want to go to the UnitedHealthcare website and then follow the steps to activate. You can also do it on the mobile app. You will have to download the UnitedHealthcare app, log in and activate the card through the app. You can use it as your member ID. Your UCard doubles as your health plan ID card, so you can show it at your doctor's offices, pharmacies, and hospitals. This helps provide access to your insurance details directly. Fill prescriptions. You can use your UCard at participating pharmacies to fill prescriptions, manage co-pays or covered medication costs. You can also use it to shop for eligible items. Depending on your plan, you can use your UCard to buy over-the-counter items such as pain relievers, cold meds, bandages, etc., healthy foods, fresh produce, dairy, grains, etc. You can shop in-store. You have to swipe your card at checkout or scan the barcode. Some stores require you to present it to a cashier, or online through the UCard Hub or the UnitedHealthcare app for home delivery. You can also use it to pay utility bills. Some plans include utility payment benefits. You can in-store visit customer service desks like Walmart with your bill, ID, and UCard, or online you can use the UCard Hub to pay eligible bills like electricity, gas, or water. Fitness benefits. You can use your UCard at participating gyms and wellness centers to sign up for fitness memberships, attend classes, and access wellness programs. Earn and redeem rewards. UnitedHealthcare often offers rewards for completing certain health activities like annual wellness visits, preventative screenings, vaccinations. These rewards are added to your UCard and can be spent on approved items. And you can manage everything in the UCard Hub. You can use the UCard Hub, which is available online or in-app, to check your balance, view transaction history, find stores and eligible items, access your digital card, and use the barcode scanner to check if items are covered. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.